Welcome! If you've ever wanted to update the title of your Instagram highlight but weren't sure how, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest and easiest way to edit your highlight's title on Instagram, step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in to the account where you want to make the change. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now that you're on your profile page, look for the row of highlight circles just below your bio. Find the highlight you want to update and tap on it. This will open up the highlight and show you all the stories you've added to it. Next, look for the three dots in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on these three dots to open a menu. From the options that appear, select Edit Highlight. This will take you to the editing screen where you can make changes to your highlight. At the top of this screen, you'll see the current title of your highlight. Tap directly on the title field. Your keyboard will pop up, allowing you to delete the old title and type in your new one. Take a moment to choose a title that best describes your highlight or matches your current style. Once you're happy with your new title, look for the Done button in the top right corner and tap it. That's it. Your highlight now has a brand new title, and everyone who visits your profile will see the updated name. Editing your Instagram highlights title is that simple. It's a quick update that can make your profile look more organized and fresh. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out my other tutorials for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.